Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to make a Pinterest vision board. Firstly, start by deciding what your vision board will focus on. Your theme sets the tone of all the images you'll collect. Some ideas include your overall dream life, goals for next year, month or quarter, specific areas of life like career, health, relationships or personal growth, dream vacation destinations, a city you want to move to, and anything else that inspires you personally. Your board is where all your images will live. Creating one is quick and easy. Go to your Pinterest account and navigate to Saved. Click the plus sign at the top right corner, then choose Board. Enter a board name that inspires you. Avoid generic titles like Vision Board. Instead, try something specific and empowering. Just click Create, and now you have a blank board ready to fill in with your inspiration. All you have to do is click the plus button and add your images to finalize your vision board. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.